Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back to another video. So a few months ago, I installed some carbon fiber styling mirror covers on the stock mirrors of this car. And they were the type that actually just you peel back some double-sided tape and slap them on the existing mirror. And they actually look pretty good. The only issue was because the mirrors were white to begin with, you see a lot of the white coming through, so it didn't look that well. If the car was black and the mirrors were black, I think the carbon fiber covers would look perfectly fine. But I said because of the white showing through, maybe in a few weeks I'll get a new set to install. Well, that's what I did today. I got a set of actual carbon fiber styling covers, not just the one you stick on, but it replaces the stock white OEM covers. So before I can install them, the first thing I need to do is remove the existing covers. I'm going to start by removing the cover with a trim removal tool. I'm just going to pry around the cover, and then once it pops off, I can go ahead and disconnect it from the car. So here is the removed cover. As you can see the white coming through. And this is the brand new carbon fiber style cover. It's plastic with a carbon fiber weave pattern. Looks really cool, especially compared to the previous one. So now I just need to go ahead and transfer the light to the new covers and install them on the car. And the lights come off pretty easy. It's just 2 Torx screws. And I can pry them right off. Okay, now that the lights are installed on the new covers, I can go ahead and slap these on the car. Okay, so that install wasn't too bad, but all I have to say is, the cover wasn't 100% fitting like OEM, so it was kind of a battle to put it on. It probably took me about 10 minutes each side versus 20 seconds per side. But at the end of the day, I think it looks pretty good. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts. There you have it, another really cool mod for the W205. Pretty easy to do. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.